when we're cutting the epoxy, the carbide tip, it's pretty hard on it and it'll blunten a bit. What I'm going to do, I've got a diamond stone or a diamond lapping tool. I'm just going to give this a bit of a clean up. So just start on the bottom edge and have your angle back a bit until it starts to shine up, and then bring it across, clean up, because where the damage will be is right in this corner. So we give him a good clean. You've got to have a bit of angle on it, and these things will really sharpen the carbide tip back up. And we'll do a bit on the edge. Just clean him up. Oops, I've been a bit high there. Put a bit more angle on it. So you got to make sure you got clearance angle when you do it. It's actually worn down here. See how I'm not getting on there? It's shining up this way because I've already done this once before and I haven't used right along, so I've got to clean this up a bit. These diamond laps are brilliant for bringing carbide tips back to life, even on lathe tools. They work really well. Not on your replaceable pieces, but where you've got a solid carbide tip. See how I've nearly cut that right down now? I'm going to get right into that corner. And that's a bit of wear as well. It's not just from me cleaning up before. See how we got it shiny all the way along, and we just got that slight bit there. I've got to get that off yet. So I'll just keep working away. So when you haven't got machine tools to sharpen your tips or your cutters, this is how you do it. Go and invest in one of these fellas. They're really good value. Most good engineering supplies will have them. We're nearly there. That's him. We'll put a sharp edge back on there now, and it'll cut really well. I might just give a little rub along the face, clean this crap off first. You don't want the residue getting on your tip. And just go along, run him along, because it will wear a little bit on the face as well. Oh, that's looking good. Magnificent. Now I'll work on the other one.